Today, we're going to try Blake's roasted chicken, chicken breast, rice with cheese sauce, and seasoned broccoli. Take out that. I have a meal. All right. This is a Conagra brand food product. That's why the box looks like all the other ones from Conagra. Oh, the same tray same tray that the Dolly Parton country fried steak meal was in the other day. All right, microwave on high for 3 minutes. Stir rice and chicken, replace film in another minute and a half to 2.5. It doesn't say to vent, so I'm not going to. That cheese sauce looks a lot like carrots, but it looks like a carrot sauce. I already forgot the time. Oh. All right. There is the ingredient list. 940 on the sodium. Not bad. Here is the ingredient list. If you so wish to read all of that, it does contain milk and wheat. Like I said before, it's a Conagra brand. There is a QR code that may or may not work through the screen. If you're watching this on your phone, good luck scanning that. BlakesAllNatural.com. You can read up on Blake's here. For nearly 5 decades. Well, I've never heard of Blake's since this a few months ago when I started eating their products. But hey, we will be back when it is ready. Back. And once again, this looks nothing like that. I would love it just once for a company to actually just microwave one of their meals and put that picture on the front of the carton. How well do you think that product would sell? Probably wouldn't sell very well, would it? But at least it'd be honest. um, this is weird. This is such a weird looking lunch here. That's hot. That has a very, very, you can see how light this yellow orangey cheese is and how dark this is. That cheese and just that little bite had such an artificial taste. Well, it's been a long time since I've had it, but it tasted like the powdered cheese packets in the Kraft mac and cheese. It's kind of what this tasted like. But I haven't had Kraft mac and cheese in a long time because that stuff's nasty. No offense to the people who like it, but that stuff's nasty. All right, I'm gonna try some of the chicken here. Live dangerous. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Oh man, that is some weird tasting chicken. Oh, that is weird. What flavor palette were they going for there? Let's try some with some rice and see if that makes a difference. Oh, hot. Mm. Mm. I've had Blake's meals in the past I kind of like. This one's not doing it. I'll try a little broccoli with the rice and a little cheese sauce. Because I'm definitely not a broccoli fan. Yeah. What? I don't really like the taste of broccoli, but it probably tasted better than cheese. All right, I'm going to try a piece of just broccoli here. I got to tell you, I'm not a fan of broccoli, but this broccoli's not tasting bad. Usually it's the veggies that suffer in these meals. The main part is good. I mean, I'm still not a broccoli fan, but that's actually not bad broccoli. I've had some broccoli that just, ugh, it literally makes you sick. But it ain't bad. That's not, hey, if I'm telling you I like broccoli, it's good because I hate broccoli. I hate the smell of broccoli. All right, broccoli's okay to good, and that's coming from a person who doesn't really like broccoli and doesn't care for broccoli at all. The rice is good. The cheese is a little weird. That chicken is, I don't know how to describe it. It's a boiled chicken with absolutely no flavor. It's tough. It's chewy. Definitely a meal you will want to put a seasoning on top with. For my videos, I try not to do that. I try to eat them straight out of the package. 940 in sodium, a little lower than most of these meals, so you could probably put a little salt on there. It wouldn't hurt much. But it definitely needs something to help that chicken. But if you've had the Blake's roasted chicken, let me know whether you liked it or not. I'm not a fan of it. I probably wouldn't get it again. Till next time.